Is there anyone in this space? Is there anyone other than us in this universe? This is a question that man has been trying to answer for centuries, and scientists are still busy searching for the proper answer. But now, know one thing. If there is a creature in space, there is a strong possibility that it will be found in the congenial region. The favorable region is the region around a star that is neither too hot nor too cold. In this video, we are going to discuss about the possibilities of alien life in the universe. Therefore, you are requested to watch this interesting and informative video of Infoverse till the end. Welcome to Infoverse. Our fascination with extraterrestrial life began after Galileo's new telescope that allowed us to peer into the heavens in the early 17th century. Initially, the spots seen on the moon were thought to be oceans, and it was thought that there might be living things in them. But now we know that these spots are not oceans but creatures formed by meteors hitting the moon's surface. Astronomy expert William Herschel said in the 1870s that Martians living on the red planet Mars could be taller than humans. They used more powerful telescopes to estimate the size of Mars as well as its seasons and lengths of days. William Herschel says that Mars is smaller than our planet, so it has less gravity, which means that the inhabitants of Mars will be taller. The famous German philosopher Immanuel Kant claimed that the intelligence of aliens depends on their distance from the Sun. Its natives will be fools while the natives of Saturn will be highly intelligent. In 1848, Thomas Dick, a Scottish priest and science teacher, attempted to calculate the number of extraterrestrials living with the solar system. He predicted that if all the planets in the solar system were as densely populated as England at that time, the total population of the solar system would be 22,000 billion at 280 people per square mile. The best place to look for life in the solar system may not be on nearby planets like Mars, but on more distant moons like Europa and Enceladus. Liquid oceans is found on both these moons. It's possible that there is an internal heat generation system that keeps these oceans in a liquid state. Space experts estimate that there may be 40 billion Earth-like planets in our galaxy alone. About 3,800 of these planets have been discovered so far, but if you were to measure the entire galaxy, it could take billions of years. Many experts believe that all the planets found in such a large number cannot be barren and there is a possibility of life somewhere. But how can telescopes detect signs of life on distant planets, since telescopes are not powerful enough to image other planets in the solar system? One method is to detect gases that organisms produce. For example, most of the methane in the Earth's atmosphere is produced by animals. All this is possible to discover through the recently launched powerful telescopes. Detailed videos about these telescopes are available on our channel. The link to these videos is given in the description. Scientists believe that the search for life should focus on planets orbiting a star that fall into a favorable region that is neither too hot nor too cold. Our Earth revolves around the Sun in a similar region. Scientists have discovered a similar orbit around the closest star to us, Proxima Centauri. Long journeys in space require a lot of energy. A unique project is the solar sail, a solar sail engine that can fly on the powerful of the solar wind emitted from the sun in the same way that ships with sails travel in the ocean. Ships with such engines continue to accelerate their speed gradually and can eventually reach 20% of the speed of light. A solar sail spacecraft will take 20 years to reach the nearest star, Proxima Centauri, but since this star is 4 light years away from Earth, it will take 4 years for a one-way signal to reach it. It's entirely possible that life exists somewhere in the universe, but most experts believe that life will be very primitive and simple, like germs on Earth. But can there be space beings that are as intelligent as humans or more intelligent than humans, and if so, in what form would they be? The age of human culture on Earth is not more than 10,000 years, while modern science originated only a few centuries ago. If intelligent beings existed somewhere in the universe, they would probably be billions and millions of years more advanced than humans. It may also be that they do not rely on biological existence anymore and have completely transformed into robots. If this has happened, then they do not even need to live in a favorable region. However, to get energy, they will still need to be close to a star or a black hole. It's hoped that in the coming time man will be able to find the answers to all these questions. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in the next amazing video of Infoverse. Until then, goodbye.